Hey there, online shoppers. Let's talk about that $750 Target gift card offer you've probably seen floating around from tearoffer.com. Is it legit, or just another scam waiting to pounce? I'll cut to the chase. Based on what I've found, tearoffer.com is raising all kinds of red flags. It's one of those sites that promises a massive Target gift card, just for answering a few questions or reviewing products. But let's be real. When's the last time Target handed out $750 for free? Here's where things get sketchy. First, they'll ask for your email, phone number, maybe even your home address. That's a goldmine for telemarketers and spammers, and you can bet your info is getting sold down the line. Next, you're told you have to complete a bunch of so-called deals, signing up for trials or subscriptions that almost always require a credit card. These are tough to cancel, and can leave you with recurring charges you never wanted. And guess what? Most people never see that gift card, no matter how many steps they complete. It's all just a massive data grab. Plus, Target has confirmed they have zero connection with tearoffer.com. If there's a real Target offer, it'll be on their official site or app, never through some random link. So what can you do if you want legit rewards? I recommend checking out sites like Swagbucks or Fetch Rewards, or stick with Target Circle. Their own loyalty program actually gives out real, smaller value gift cards for qualifying purchases. Bottom line, if something sounds too good to be true online, it probably is.